Alright guys, so this is the first deal I'm doing today. It's for Fiji water. It is BOGO at $2.29. 10-11 inserts. There is this 50% off coupon. It's for 500 milliliters or more, which this is. So you would buy two, use two of the 50% off coupon, and they come to 65 cents a bottle. Did I say the coupon is in your 10-11 Smart Source? If I didn't, I did now. 65 cents a bottle. Alright, next up on our fun this week is these Sprout baby snacks. They are on sale 2 for $5. Now, I know a lot of you are having problems printing this coupon this morning. I was able to save it as a picture on the Publix website and print it out, but they also had the books at my store. Another example of a reason we should be printing stuff over the weekend to be ready for the new sale, because you never know what's going to happen when it's go time. Alright, so you buy one at $2.50. You use one of the $1.50 off Publix coupon. And then there's a $1 off manufacturer coupon that you can stack with that coupon. And it makes those free. Nope, that's all. There we go. And it makes them free. So you use one of the $1.50 off Publix coupon found either in the baby book. You can print it on the Publix website. You can't print it this morning on the Publix website for some reason. I'm going to try to get it to save as a PDF file so y'all can print from the deal. I'll work on that while I'm uploading videos when I get home and see if I can get it to save that way. I didn't have time to do it this morning. But I did post a picture of it in the group. And normally if you change the printing method to fit to picture or something on your printer settings, it won't print out this big. You might have to play around with it a little until I can play around with it and save it as a PDF. So these would be completely free this week. Score, it's either the waffles or the crinkles or the curls. Alright, next up on our deals this week, we have Yoplait 8-packs. They are BOGO at $4.49. There's a digital coupon for $1.50 off too, or there's a coupon in your Smart Source $9.27. So buy two, use either one of those coupons, either your digital or the insert coupon from SS 927 for the Yoplait yogurt multi-pack, and pay $1.50 a piece after coupon. Chicken breasts are on sale, boneless, skinless, BOGO at $5.99 a pound this week. Unfortunately, no coupon for them, but still a great BOGO sale. On the lookout in your store for these peelies on the Keebler cookies, which are BOGO this week at $3.69. Alright, I'm pretty bummed I can't get my Pop-Tarts coupon to print. I'm pretty annoyed with this. I've emailed Pop-Tarts, Kellogg's, haven't heard back from them. I've tried just about everything. I've switched browsers, I've cleared my cache, I've tried it all, so might not be the deal for me this week, but it is a phenomenal deal. If you can get yours to work, you buy 4 Pop-Tarts, the Crisps, Bites, or these big 12-count boxes are included in the BOGO sale. The Pop-Tarts 12-count boxes are the cheapest. They are $3.40. You buy 4 of those, use one of the $2 off coupon, and pay $1.20 a box. You could do this. You're going to pay a little bit more, but not much. I mean, if you prefer these instead and the kids will eat these, then grab these by all means. Hey guys, so this Cascadian Farm is BOGO again this week. Sorry, I dropped the tag here. BOGO again this week at $4.19. If you still have the digital coupon clipped, it's no longer available to clip, but if you still have it clipped, when it was available, the no sugar added varieties, make sure that you grab that, are included in the sale. So you could buy two, use the digital coupon, and get one free and then one free from this sale. All right, moneymaker this week on Equal. The Equal tablets are on sale BOGO at $2.09. There's a $1.50 off any Equal product coupon found in your RMN 96. If you buy two at $2.09, use two of that $1.50 off coupon, which would come to $3 off. You are making 91 cents on every two packages of Equal. The Equal Plus is also included. I don't see Equal Plus. No Equal Plus here. All right, Whole Earth Sweeteners is also included in the sale. There is a insert coupon for those as well. I need to post that breakdown. I'll post it in the best deals later today. I just didn't have the the picture of it and wanted to make sure I got it right before posting it. So I will post that on the best deals later today. Sorry. But there is a coupon that makes them free, I believe. And let's see, which one is $2.09? Oh, I think it's the Pure Via. Yeah. Where's $2.09 though? What do they know? I don't know. I don't see anything $2.09 over here. I don't know what they're talking about. Oh, the Equal is included in The Equal is included in the sale, and it's $2.09. Got it. Okay. You could do the big packs of Equal. What are these? Those are $2.99, so those would be free with the $1.50 off any Equal product coupon. If you can't find the tablets in your store, those are included as well. I think that about covers it over here in this area. Money makers, though. Coupon, but these are my favorite. These Potatoes Inspirations are on sale BOGO this week at $3.99 or $4.99 a bag. So you could score a bag for $2. They're perfect for stew if you're making stew, which is wonderful. I made it the other night. It's a wonderful time of year to throw some the stew meat back there in the crock pot. Let's go check and see if it's on sale. Beef round chunks are on sale BOGO, or not BOGO, well that would be awesome, on sale for $5.49 a pound this week. So you could easily make stew with these. I make stew with these all the time. I buy this because it's cheaper than the stuff that's labeled beef for stew. Pretty sure it's the same thing. So $8.40 or $8.34 for a pound and a half at my store, which easily beats my family of four. And then you've got the BOGO potatoes. In no coupon, but a great deal. Bolthouse Farms drinks are on sale BOGO at $3.29 this week. This out, guys. I had this coupon, but I'm super stoked. They put it back out for y'all with my deal on it. All right, these are on sale 10 for $10 this week. Look for this hang tag in your stores. They have fixed it right to the product here in my store on an end cap. You would buy, the coupon is save $2 when you buy 3. So you would buy 3 of these at $3, use one of this hang tag coupon, and $2 is going to come off. You pay $1 for all 3. Can't get better than that. I'm loading up. Look for it in your stores. Todoroso tomatoes are on sale BOGO this week at $2. There is a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 920. Buy 2 at $2. You use one of the $1 off 2 coupon and pay 50 cents a can. It does include the tomato sauce, the puree, or the diced tomatoes, the super large cans. Guys, this Vero Gusto coupon is still available to print if you haven't printed it. Also, if you did receive it to your email, you can print another. I went over that in a live video in my Facebook group last night. This is what we refer to as a PDF coupon, even though it's not a PDF coupon. It just means it has no unique code on it, and you can print it as many times as you like, and you can use it until it expires, which is on 10/26. So all you do is you just buy one Vero Gusto sauce at Publix, or you can buy it at any store actually, and use the coupon for a free bottle. And I don't see a limit on this coupon. Coupons are void if copied and transferred. Purchase sold, no limit, so you can use up to 8 in one transaction. I wouldn't go that far just because you don't want the Publix managers to go, what the heck? You know, maybe grab a couple each trip you go. Speaking of Ibotta, these Carvana items are BOGO this week, and there is a $1 off 1 rebate on them as well. The color grabber, and I guess my store isn't carrying the little bottles anymore, but I saw the little bottles were BOGO as well, but I guess we're not carrying those anymore here in Jacksonville, unless they moved them. I doubt it though. I don't see them down there. Nope, I think we're out. Just the color grabber. Alright, next up, really great offer on these Sun-Made Bites. They are regularly priced at $2.79. There is a 50% off Ibotta offer, so they are giving you $1.50 back. And then last night I printed these coupons. You can either print the $2 off 2 or $1 off 1. So that would make these 29 cents after Ibotta rebate and coupons. So pick up 2 of these. I'm going to put the deal below and try these new Sun-Made Bites. Super cheap. You know, come to 29 cents after coupons and Ibotta rebate. These Pillsbury cinnamon rolls or Grand's biscuits are on sale 10 for $10 this week. There is a $1 off 3 printable coupon or a $1 off 3 insert coupon found in your SS 913. Buy 3, use either one of those, and pay 67 cents each. Blue Wilderness wet dog foods are on sale at BOGO this week at $2.50. There is a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 913. You would pay 75 cents a piece for the cans with that coupon. Also, there is a $1 off 3 printable coupon. If you don't have the $1 off 2 insert coupon, you could buy 6, use 2 of the $1 off 3, and pay 91 cents a can. Alright, next up is the Purina Beneful 3.5 pound bags. They are BOGO this week at $5.99. We have a $2 off printable coupon. It is no longer available to print as of this morning. I don't know if it's going to come back. It may. Buy 2 at $5.99. Use 2 of the $2 off printable coupon. Pay $1 a bag. Additionally, there is a Target coupon that's out off Purina items. There's one that's coming out and there's one that is out. It's $5 off when you spend $25 on Purina items. So if your Publix accepts them as a competitor, Target as a competitor, you can use this coupon in addition for this deal. However, please note that the Purina Beneful coupon is limit 4 per transaction. So you could pair it with some other, you would only be able to buy 4 of these bags, which is going to come to like $11.98. So you're going to need another 10 bucks. Actually more than that, 13 bucks, somewhere in that neighborhood. There is a $3 off coupon out for the Purina Bella, which is not on sale, but there's a $3 off coupon out for it. There's also some bottle rebates on the Bella. I'm going to try to put together some deals. But it looks like my store doesn't even carry the wet anymore, which is, I think, the Ibotta rebate. That's why I wanted to come here this morning and check it all out. This guy, there is a coupon for, I think it's $4. Anyway, I'm going to try to put together a Target deal that you can do with this Beneful, but it's becoming a problem. But I'm going to do my best. So these, the limit on these is 4. If we had an insert coupon, we could buy another 4 and use 4 insert coupons, but we don't. We only have a printable coupon. So the max you could buy in this in a transaction would be 4. Check it out. These crispy green beans, crispy carrots. I've heard people put these in their air fryer and they're awesome. On sale, BOGO this week. They're included in the Bird's Eye Vegetables 9.5 to 20 ounce sale. They're 12 ounces. There's a $1 off extra savings flyer coupon found in the front of the store. So you can buy 2 for $4.29. Use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons and pay like $1.15 a piece. Not a bad deal. The veggie spirals are also included in this sale. They're both off $4.29, and the $1 off 1 coupon covers them as well, so you would pay the same price. So the BOGO sale is part of the weekly sale, and then the coupon is in your extra savings flyer found at the front of the store. Alright, last deal for me. Hall's cough drops are on sale. BOGO at $2.22. There is a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 10-4. Buy 2 at $2.22. Use 1 of the $1 off 2 coupon and pay 61 cents a piece. Sounds about right. I have 60 cents. It looks like they went up a couple cents because they were $2.19 when I took my picture. Now they're $2.22, so they're going to be 61 cents, 62 cents, somewhere in that neighborhood a piece. And these include all of the Halls. Yeah, all of them went up to $2.22. Hey guys, help me out please by liking this video. Just click on this like button right here. If you didn't like this video, instead of clicking this button right here, leave me a comment and let me know why, so I can improve it for you. Also, if you are looking for coupons, or when I say there's a link down in the description, this is the description area of this video. This link right here, if you click on it, will take you to the printable coupons or any other information that I'm talking about in the video. Alright guys, happy couponing.